I see a lot of people talking about putting their wood on the jointer, and all they're doing is flattening it. They're using it like a planer. The jointer is for putting a 90-degree edge on your board. So I've just run this board through the planer a bunch of times. Got two co-planar faces, but you can see this edge is nowhere near 90 degrees. That's what a jointer is for. Gonna put that on the jointer now. So this is square all the way around. I'm using my 4-inch shopsmith jointer, and it's this angle between the deck and the fence that's what's gonna give us our 90 degree. When we're using the jointer, the point is to keep the wood on the fence as the deck corrects the angle. So you wanna make sure your fence is dialed in. Just like that. Gotta be perfect 90 if you want that 90 on your board. Got my safety glasses and ear protection. Alright, I think that's the first pass where this is done. Might do extra just to touch it up. Let's see how I did. With that, that's a nice 90 on here now, and that is ready for jointing with another 90-degree board. Perfect. And if both my faces were co-planar from the planer, looks good. A lot of shops spend a lot of money on some really big, massive 8, 10, 12, whatever inch jointers, and you might need one of those for what your projects are and what your shop is too, but for me, this little 4-inch jointer off my shopsmith, it's perfect.